So let's take a look at what we should be expecting this week on gold. So before that, make sure you could subscribe if you've not, and also follow the Telegram channel. I'll be linking putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So I'm going to be giving you the updates on gold as we go on this week. I'll be covering more updates on gold. But with what I am saying, you can clearly see that this gold is literally on an uptrend move. It is clearly, the buy is actually on an uptrend, due to the fact that, we are actually in the season of fear. We all consider that the stock market is actually falling. And so, of course, the investors will have to start moving into safe assets like gold. So this is one of the reasons why we are having a strong bullish move on gold, and possibly we are going to continue to have it. But if you take a look at it on this 4-hour time frame, you will see something like this: an higher high, then we had this an higher low, then we added this an higher high, then here comes the higher low, then we added this higher high, and here is the higher low. If you take a look at this is our higher high, right? Well, when you go down like this, there is a pullback, a little bit of a pullback, and market should actually push up, especially when you go to your 1-hour time frame. So market is literally ranging within this level, right? So once the market range is finished, then we would likely see it push up. But also have it in mind that there's every possibility that market is likely to drop to tap this level of 305 and 3053. If in case it does that, then we would likely see it push up. So whatever markets will do this week, bias on gold is to the upside. So it's either we start having that push up to the upside. Once the range finish, we start pushing up, or it's likely to drop down to take out some liquidity, then to actually push up. So just follow the Telegram. I'm going to give you guys more updates. I'll be covering it, so you just see the link in the comment section.